Organizing your verses in the Bible Memory app. Let's go to My Verses and look at some of the best ways to organize your verse list. Instead of having one big list, it's a good idea to create collections for your memory verses. To create a new collection, tap the red plus button and choose New Collection. Let's call it Protection. We'll leave it at the top level and choose Save. Now, I just happen to have the perfect verse to place in this collection. It's currently in my uncategorized list. There it is, Psalm 34:7. So let's edit that verse, tap Collections, and select our new collection. You can also add a verse to multiple collections if you like. So we'll choose Done and Save. And there we've moved the verse into our Protection collection. You can also add new verses right to your collection by tapping the red plus button from within the collection. Just choose New Verse. And for the super organized among us, you can even add a sub-collection by tapping New Sub-Collection. One of the best ways to use sub-collections is when memorizing full chapters of the Bible. As you saw in the video on memorizing full chapters, a new collection is created for each chapter you add. Here we have a collection for Psalm 1 and Psalm 2. If we plan on memorizing more chapters from Psalms, we might want to create a parent Psalms collection to hold all of these. Let's do that now. Tap the red plus button, choose New Collection, and we'll call it Psalms. We'll hit Save. Now we'll long press Psalm 1 and choose Edit Collection. Here under Parent Collection, we can choose Psalms. Hit Save, and Psalm 1 has now been moved into the Psalms collection. Let's do the same with Psalm 2. Edit Collection, move it from the top level into Psalms, Save. Now at the top level all we have is Psalms, and when we open it, there we see Psalm 1 and Psalm 2. Then we can open those to see the actual verses. So those are a few of the best ways to organize your verses using collections.